Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome back to a new update on BigTime. The BigTime token, not the game. We'll be taking a look at the token, all of the technicals around it, hopefully everything you need to know. All right, so that's what we'll do. There's some interesting things I wanted to talk about regarding BigTime in the last 24 hours or so. Obviously, it has been showing some momentum, which for me is not necessarily great because I shorted BigTime right here around 20 cents. And it was doing pretty good. Like it was up with margin, it was up like 500%, or yeah, the trade was up 500%. So it was doing pretty good, but now bullish momentum has returned. My stop loss is at entry, so the trade is risk free. But yeah, it doesn't matter. I shorted it, by the way, if you're interested, because in general these game tokens tend to fall. But now what we've seen is that BigTime over the last, especially like over the last 12 hours, I believe, has been gaining a lot of momentum. Like you can see it right here. Like the momentum gain since, well, basically overnight. It started a little bit yesterday afternoon right here, but overnight the momentum increased massively. A lot of orders were closed actually about 3 hours ago. So that's interesting as well. Because it does seem like there's some, like, I think BigTime, I think the game is great, but I do think the price movement right now is a bit shady. Like you can also see that a lot of volume is coming in from Bitmart and OKX and SuperX, which especially SuperX and Bitmart are not the most reliable sources. Doesn't matter. The price still moves, right? But yeah, so that's what we're seeing. A lot of momentum coming in, volume still increasing. It was also, which is interesting, it was also transacted by DWF Labs, and usually the coins that they have some sort of an affiliation with, usually they tend to do well. So that's a factor to keep in mind as well. But purely technically, like the technicals will tell us everything we need to know regarding BigTime. And right now, what you're seeing, according to my analysis at least, is that it's oh, excuse me, I was just looking at my phone, but this is the last level. Like if you consider all of the resistance levels which BigTime has right now, this is the strongest. You can see it was quite bearish right here, got into a range between 16.5 and 13.5 cents, broke above that level right now, or earlier yesterday, which is now support. And now the big question is can it break above this level right here? Let's say between 18.5 and 20 cents. Filled with resistance, psychological, technical, some Fibonacci levels. Can it break above that level? And I think that's hard to say. All right, and the main thing is because Bitcoin is very bullish. All right, so if it was about Bitcoin, there's a lot of bullish momentum in the markets right now. Like it seems, according to that, and according to the open interest, it seems most likely that BigTime will break above 20 cents. And if it breaks above 20 cents, it can actually rally. All right, so it can rally all the way up to 23.5 cents as a first price target, but it could potentially come back up to 25 and 27 cents as well. So I have to tell you that this is the most likely scenario. Given what we're seeing right now, given the bullish confirmations that we got, and given the state of the market, I have to tell you that getting that bullish breakout is most likely, but I would not buy BigTime now. I would wait for that confirmation, because if, like, on the other hand, like if Bitcoin rallies and it rallies up to 35,000, for example, and BigTime has not gotten that bullish breakout yet, it probably won't. All right, so it like technically it just could go both ways. I'm telling you, it's most likely that it will get that bullish breakout, but I wouldn't trade it. Right, I would wait for it. I would wait for confirmation, and if BigTime is not able to break above 20 cents soon, then it will just continue to fall as well. All right, so wait for confirmation. Right now, it's too early to say what's going to happen. It's too early to say whether it will continue going up or continue going down. And I know people hate that because I get a lot of comments saying that I'm just telling you that it can go up or down, but that is the truth. All right. Sometimes you just need to wait for confirmation before you can make a good decision. And then once you've got that information, like a bullish breakout above 20 cents or not a bullish breakout above 20 cents in the next 2 days, then you have confirmation, and then it's way more accurate what you can predict. All right, so those are my thoughts on BigTime. It's my full analysis. If you do have any questions, let me know. And lastly, I also have my own premium/signals group in which I share all of my trades with the entry, stop loss, take profit, everything. So if you want to make some profits, I'm a profitable trader, which helps, of course, while also gaining access to an amazing community and my trading guides. Consider joining. Links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.